One of the business challenges that I faced is that when you're building out your website and your brand, the old traditional way was that you sold houses. But that's not actually what we do. What we do is help people through major life transitions. And I think that that's become more important to remember as we see more and more tech companies get into our business and really own the information of a home. But what they miss, and what I think a lot of people miss, is that this is a deeply personal business. And it's not about the listings, it's about the people. And so early on, when Living Room started, I immediately told my agents, I was like, listen, we're never gonna be able to be first on a Google list for houses for sale in Portland. But what we do own and what we have a lot of power around are our relationships and those stories. No one knows the stories of the people that live here the way that we do. We are hoping that when people come to our website, that they see stories of how people just like themselves were able to buy a house. That they see a single mom with 2 kids that just finished nursing school and they connect with that and they see themselves in that. And there's some humanity and humor in the stories that we tell. And I think that connects us and builds trust in a way that just giving information away for free just never will. We come in to people's lives at the largest transitions that they have. And that takes a lot of heart, that takes listening, and that takes empathy. And that's nothing that an algorithm was ever going to replace for folks. Maybe it was a business challenge initially, but I really think that it was an invitation to be clear on what we do and who we serve. And that's our neighbors. I'm Jenelle Etzel, founder and owner of Living Room Realty in Portland, Oregon.